If you have a noise in your hatch area, go ahead and open up your rear hatch. And then if you look right here, look at these little bump stops right here. They're spring actuated. But what you could do is you could actually twist these to the left or to the right, and this will come out or go inside. In my case, it looks like it might have gotten a little bit worn. So what I did is I turned it counterclockwise and it extended it. And what that did is it contacted the bottom portion of the car, and now there wasn't any play, and that reduced and eliminated my rear hatch noise.